Hi, I'm Nikki, and today we're going to be teaching in the whiteboard, on my smartboard, and a BenQ display.
All right, I've got a whiteboard here. I like that one.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's try video. This one's good.
Oh, I like.
Video?
Yeah. Is that an ad?
Yeah, and it's real simple.
$2. So let's make some change.
Let's count that.
$1.69, $1.70, $1.75, and $2. All right, good job.
Cool. Quarter.
All right.
Let's resize them.
Yeah. Oh, you go
We
ahead.
can only do now. Once at a time. Okay, now we can turn them into infinite cloners.
All right.
Let's make some change.
Oops. Do you mind turning on ink?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Back.
Good work.